When Flix exports sequences for Editorial, it creates two files. One is labeled All, and the other is labeled New. Which one do I use and when? Let's find out. So I'm going to use Avid AAFs for this demonstration, but the principle is exactly the same in Premiere, so don't worry, this lesson still applies. Let's start with what it looks like when you bring in a completely fresh sequence for the first time from Flix. So in Flix, you click Publish and Flix creates two AAF files. You can see there is the AAF with the suffix all. Now, because this is the very first AAF created from this sequence, it contains media for all the panels in the sequence. Now I can simply drag my AAF into a bin. All my clips are imported and a sequence is created based on the timing set in Flix. Any new clips are tagged with a color, so I can easily identify them. Again, because this is the very first import, they're all new, so they're all colored. Let's say there's been a change to the sequence in Flix, and I've received fresh AAFs. When I import the updated all AAF, Avid reports that not all the media has come across. This is good, because the AAF should only contain clips that have changed or been updated. Otherwise, I'm going to end up with duplicate media filling up my storage. You can see in the bin that only the clips referencing panels that have changed are colored. The others are colorless because that media hasn't been brought across. When I open the sequence, those clips appear as media offline, but I can simply relink them with Avid's relink tool because I've already got that media. So now the sequence is linking to both media from the original AAF I made and the new one with the updated clips. The simplest case to show the difference between these two AAFs is to bring up my example from the previous section. If I bring in the AAF labeled New, I get a sequence containing only the boards that are updated. As you can see here, there are placeholders on the timeline corresponding to the clips from the sequence containing all of the clips. But the only clips online are the new ones embedded in the new AAF. What you may want to do now is create a new track and lay the new AAF on this track. That way you can see where the updated new clips fit in the context of your sequence. So that's a quick overview of when it can be useful to use either the new or the all AAFs that Flix makes. Thanks for watching.